Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifestor Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below, and my affirmations list and audio Rampage email is down below, and my manifestation workshop is down below with a workshop on how to change your appearance, because that is what today's Rampage is about. You are a master manifestor. You already have your appearance change. It's not impossible. It's not crazy. It's not big. It is normal because it's you. If it is you, then it's just who you are. It is who you are. It is normal for you to have the things that you want. It is normal for you to have the appearance change. You can manifest everything that you want. You already have it. You can manifest anything that you want. Nothing is too big for you. Your body conforms to you. Your face is conforming to you. Your appearance is conforming to you. Your whole reality always conforms to you. Your body works over time to give you the appearances that you want. You look like a goddess. You look like a god. You look like a model. You are the beauty standard. You look exactly the way you want to look. You are so mesmerizing and addicting and magnetic. People always do a double take when they see you because you are just so beautiful. You are beautiful. You are sexy. You are hot. You are cute. You are handsome. You are everything. You received your appearance change so fast. It came so easily and effortlessly. Your world conforms to you. Your world conforms to you. Your world conforms to you. You deserve to look the way that you want to look. You deserve to be happy in your own skin. You deserve every single thing that you want. It is so easy for you to have what you want. It is so easy for you to receive. You deserve every single appearance change that you want. You are a master at manifesting appearance change. How did you manifest appearance change so easily? How do you look so amazing? How do you always get everything that you want? Because you are a master. You are a master manifester. Your desires are a promise. Your appearance change is a promise. Your appearance change wants you. Your appearance change desires you. You are the desired one. Your entire life conforms to you. You love the person you see when you look in the mirror. You love the person you are. You look exactly the way you want to look. People will not stop complimenting you. People will not stop telling you that you have your desired appearance change. You look so good. It is safe for you to receive your desired appearance change. You are worthy of your desired appearance change. You have the best looks on the whole planet. There is no one like you. You are number one. You are the one everybody wants to look like. You are the one. You are the chosen one. You are the best looking person in your whole reality. There is no one better than you. You are the beauty standard. You're constantly raising the bar for beauty. Everybody just looks at you in awe because you are the one everybody wants to be, wants to look at, wants to be with, or wants to be. You are the one that everybody wants to be with or wants to be, because that is how addicting and beautiful and mesmerizing you are. You have the face of an angel. You have the body of an angel. Your reality works overtime to give you the things that you want. You're never questioning. You're never doubting. Your appearance change is here to stay. You have it and it's not going anywhere. It is who you are. It is who you have always been. You are deserving of being who you want to be. You are deserving of looking the way you want to look. Nothing can stop you from looking the way you want to look. Nothing can stop you from having it all. You are meant to have it all. You are meant to be this beautiful. You are meant to be this amazing. You are meant to have this appearance change. Never doubt yourself. Never quit. Never give up. It is already here. It is already yours. Everything came so easily and effortlessly. There's nothing you have to do. There's nothing you have to be. There's nothing you have to say. There's nothing you have to do other than just exist. You exist and get what you want. You get what you want simply because you exist. You got your appearance change simply because you exist. Anything you want is handed to you. Any appearance change you want just happens for you. You always get the things that you want, and life is on easy mode for you. You just look beautiful. You were born beautiful. You were born amazing. You were born with your appearance change. You were born with the appearance change that you want. Congratulations on manifesting your appearance change. You deserve the best that this reality has to offer. You are always receiving all your desires. Appearance change is the easiest thing for you to manifest. It is the fastest thing for you to manifest. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you. You love the way you look. You look amazing. You have the appearance change. You have everything you want. That's it. And with that being said, that is all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.